going to test my air handler today. But before that, let's do the intro. Here's my air handler for my air conditioner. Here's the evaporator coil. You'll see a couple pictures of it work in progress. We had to move a lot of stuff, but here's the blower assembly, blower motor. It blows out right there, and it sucks through the evaporator. The access panel, I'm not sure where it is, went on this. I'll be testing the current with it on and see if it's good. The evaporator, it's in there, but you'd have to move this a little to access it. Yeah, the current's dropping. It was consuming 8 amps and it's dropping to 6.99. So I guess we can let it run for a little bit and see how it does. So there's a big difference between this panel closed and the panel not closed. So basically open. It kind of sucks against it. I have a Discord server, link is in the description, please subscribe.